In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enter and how to exit safe mode on your Android phone. For this video, I'll be using the Samsung Galaxy, but these instructions should apply to most Android phones. So what you want to do is access the power off menu. And then once you've accessed it, long press on the power off button. So just long press on it like that, and you should see the option safe mode. So to enter safe mode, just tap on that icon and wait for your phone to restart. Once it's restarted, you should notice that there's a safe mode tag at the bottom of your screen. So this means that you have successfully entered safe mode. So what you want to do is just unlock your phone. And then you'll notice that any third-party apps such as Facebook, YouTube Music, or any other downloaded apps on your device have grayed out or have been disabled. This means that you can now troubleshoot any issues on your device without harming any of these installed apps. To exit safe mode, just access the power off menu and then select restart. So when you tap on restart, your phone will restart in normal mode and will exit safe mode. So just select restart and wait for your device. To make sure that you have actually exited safe mode, look for the safe mode tag at the bottom of your screen, and if it's not there, it means you have successfully exited safe mode. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.